Marvel 8 Series Mark I bandsaw was manufactured right here in the U.S. Marvel has been a leader in the bandsawing industry since 1904. This machine is widely used in the fabrication, manufacturing, and metalworking industry. I'm George of Sawblade.com, and today we're here at Anderson Associates right here in Houston, Texas. Anderson Associates are an advanced material and product testing and metallurgical failure analysis facility, and this saw is perfect for their cutting requirement. This Marvel 8 Series Mark I is a manual, easy to operate, and one of the most reliable, durable machines in the industry. They are built to last. This rugged cast vertical tilt machine miters up to 45 degrees and has a cutting capacity of 18-inch round and up to 20-inch in width. It has a 2-horsepower motor drive and variable speed of 50 to 450 service feet per minute. The saw is great for cutting all types and shapes of material, mild steel up to your super alloys. Anderson Associates use our Q1002 Q-Saw triple chip carbide blade. This blade has an aggressive tooth design with a triple chip grind and positive rake angle that makes short work of the high nickel alloys and other exotic materials they test here at this facility. This blade is also great for the aerospace industry, steel service centers, and high production environments. Like a lot of other higher-end machines, this Marvel 8 Series Mark I bandsaw uses blade guides that are essential to help keep the blade aligned and straight during the cutting process. Blade guides can be expensive to replace, but when you're cutting hard, expensive materials, your cuts need to be clean and precise. Sawblade.com offers a variety of blade guides from our black iron parts division, and for this saw replacement guides we have in stock. Black iron guides have been proven to be more durable, perform better, and cost less than typical OEM guides. We offer several types of coolant at Sawblade.com. Our Q-Fluid C5200 is a semi-synthetic blend concentrate that is low foaming, corrosion resistant, and biodegradable. The standard mix ratio is 10:1, 10 parts water to 1 part coolant. But for cutting harder materials, you should consider 6:1 for better heat control and longer blade life. Of course, using a coolant helps lubricate the blade, reducing friction and heat, keep the blade clean and smooth, thereby extending blade life and premature blade wear. Q-Fluids also has a synthetic blend of C5300, which is great for fabricators. This coolant allows welding directly after cutting your material. Utilizing a chip brush is also an important but forgotten feature of saw setup. It will remove any work-hardened chips from the tooth gullet and keep them from circling back into the cut, which will cause premature blade wear and quality of cut concerns. Simply adjust the chip brush to lightly make contact with the blade tooth and gullet and let it go to work. Just keep an eye out for continuing adjustments and replacements needed. Here at Anderson, they have very experienced saw operators. They really know how to set up their sawing operation for maximum performance and efficiency. Using the right blade type and TPI is critical in a sawing operation, and that's based on material type, hardness, wall thickness, and our overall diameter of the material. Once you have the right blade selected, setting up the blade rotational speed and feed rate is the next critical part of the equation. As always, the harder the material, the slower the rotation and feed rate. And if all this is done right, you're set up for success. Log on to Sawblade.com and check out our speed and feed calculator so you too can cut like a pro. So to recap, keep your Marvel 8 Series and the other bandsaws running right with the help of Sawblade.com's top-of-the-line Q-Saw bandsaw blades, black iron parts, Q-Fluids. I'm George of Sawblade.com. Remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.